my name is Divoký. I'm the Global Key Account Manager at company Meusburger, and welcome to Forming Now. Today I want to tell you something about new profiTEMP TM Toolmaker. This one is made for checking the mold before the production to let you know if everything is connected right. It's pretty simple. We just connect the mold, click on the diagnosis, and the device will tell you whether the zones are correctly before production. This machine is also 0.0 industry ready. This underneath is a profiTEMP Plus. This is a 12-zone machine, and this is much more sophisticated. This one is used by controlling the injection molding process. Company Meusburger is a market leader on the precision standard parts for mold makers and die makers. We have a global presence. We are on the market over 60 years and in India over 12 years now.